Bang & Olufsen is upgrading its truly Beoplay E8 wireless headphones with a slightly updated model that is properly called Beoplay E8 2.0, which mostly offers a new and improved charging case with wireless charging and USB-C. Along with the new charging methods, Bang & Olufsen is adding an additional battery life to the casing, which can now charge the headset completely up to 3 times, for a total of 16 hours of battery life, up to 12 hours in the previous model. To go with the new wireless charging case, Bang & Olufsen is also announcing a new wireless charging platform that is designed in the company's usual premium style of brushed aluminum and leather, with support for wireless charging of up to 10 watts. The Beoplay E8 2.0 headphones are also getting an increase in the price of the already expensive $299 that the original model sold for, up to a whopping $350. The E8 2.0 headphones will be available from February 14 on the Bang site and Olufsen and in the usual retailers. In addition, Bang & Olufsen will also sell the wireless charging case separately for $200. So the owners of the existing E8 can update if they wish. The price of the loading platform has not yet been announced, but given the usual price of Bang & Olufsen,